When the Saints Go Marching In has few of new concepts. First of all, this Roman numeral 4. I hope you remember how to read Roman numerals. So I want you to answer the questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 4. Roman numeral system goes like this in key of C major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it goes back to 1 because those are the same note. So you can write down the answer C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Notes changes depends on the key. For example, if it's key of F major, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. We're gonna study other keys in the future. But for now, key of C major. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is F right here. So you're gonna play F in left hand. And with a little rhythm cues here. Rest. 2, 3, 4, rest. 2, 3, 4, rest. 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 Rest, 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 rest. 2, 3, 4, rest. Here comes F. Rest, 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 and 5, rest. And power chord. We're gonna study power chord. Right here it says power chord. Play root and fifth only in lower register. I hope you remember triads from music math drill. Triads means 3-note harmony. And within the triad, the bottom note is called root. And the third note from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, is called third. Fifth note is called fifth. And then you're gonna play only root and fifth in lower register. That means you're gonna play right here. It gives power. So one more time from here. Rest, 1, rest, 1, rest. Go to 5, rest, and power chord. Also, it says ritardando. RIT stands for ritardando. It says that. Play gradually slower. So you're gonna play 1, rest, and it gets slower and slow. Although gradually slower at the end. I hope you can figure out the arrangement by yourself. I want you to try your best to figure it out so that you can learn those concepts, so you can apply the concept to many other occasions. Try your best this week, and I will show you that final arrangement next week.